ดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ
So my name is Chris, and would like to really welcome you from the bottom of my heart for spending your time to travel here and spend the day with us today. Every day in the hotel, you take care of the guest. Today, we take care of you. So you've all been handpicked and selected by your F&B managers, your restaurant managers, to join this training today. We are the... Who are we? What are we? Yeah! Everybody in this room is already a winner because you've done a fantastic job listening to the teachers and listening to the feedback. So I hope you really took a lot away from this day today and just keep practicing. And whenever you want inspiration, look at the photo of the team that you made so many new friends today.